Hey, have you ever wondered if unboxing videos is a good way to market your opportunity or your products? If so, let me tell you no, that it's not a good way, and let me explain it to you. So stick around and make sure you can hear me. And so the sound is on, and if we haven't met, my name is Edita. I'm from VIE Now and VIE Now about building a network marketing business, a successful network marketing business without trading your integrity by doing crazy stuff like chasing, living with hidden agenda, asking people who don't know you to look at your stuff, sending links, basically spamming, and facing a lot of objections and rejection. So in today's video I want to give you 3 reasons why it's not such a good idea to do unboxing videos, which a lot of us do because that's how we are taught, that's what our upline tells us to do, and they probably do it themselves, but you'll see in a second why it's a problem. So the very first problem is really exposing the name of your company and your products. And what happens is that people, when they see the name, and if they are cold market, if they don't know you, if they get interested a little bit, they will go Google. Basically, you are losing the opportunity to have a conversation with your cold market, with people around you. Because when they go Google, usually they find that it's network marketing. They usually find negative reviews. They might find the prices. And you know that in network marketing, the prices are usually, very often quite high because they are good products, but people won't know it and you won't have the chance to explain it to them. And if they still are interested in your stuff by, after doing all the investigation, they will probably end up clicking on some other link that they see at that point, and they won't even probably remember where they started. And convenience is everything, and even if they did remember, probably it's way more comfortable and faster to just click on whatever link they see at that point. And the problem number 2 is that unboxing videos are very often, if not always, I haven't seen unboxing videos done differently. So they are usually very feature oriented. So they don't talk about what the products do. They talk about what the products are and how they are made, and what it is, and what shape they have, in what kind of bottles they are, and whether it's tablets or soft gels or something else. But people don't really care about that kind of stuff. They want to know what's in there for them and what those things are going to do for them, as opposed to what they are. So if people don't see what it is and what those things are gonna do for them, they're not gonna get interested. It's actually gonna look more spammy and maybe annoying, because why are you showing this stuff? Why are you showing? You received the package, you opened the package, you got the stuff, good for you. You're excited, it's great, but it's for you, right? What's in there for me? And the third problem is that when you make an order, whether it's just for you or maybe for your family and your friends around, as well for you to sell that stuff. You made your own selection and you show everything, you know, bottle by bottle, item by item. And the thing is that it doesn't have, it's not targeted. It's not really clear what audience, what kind of people you are talking to, because you have multiple things with multiple benefits which you are not probably even talking about, or most unboxing videos that I've seen never talked about the benefits. So you know, a specific person doesn't really know why they should be even watching that video, because they don't know that it's for them, because it has multiple things. People don't have to look, you know, watch through the whole thing to see maybe there is something in it for them. It's not how it works. And if you noticed some ads, usually ads are, you know, one ad is for one thing. If you pay attention very well, even on your timeline on Facebook, notice that usually every ad is just for one thing. And if you end up on the website of that company, whatever it is, I'm talking in general, I don't mean network marketing companies, but if you actually get interested in that one thing and then end up on the website, you find that that company is selling a lot of other stuff, but they are only advertising that one thing. With that one thing, one benefit, they are targeting one specific audience, you know, a certain group of people, by, you know, which they select by various criteria, you know. So you have to do your homework beforehand to understand what kind of people you are targeting. But the point is that you know, you need to talk, for somebody to get interested to, you need to talk to their specific desires. And unboxing videos, if your package has like 10 items with all sorts of stuff, you know, I'm not sure why I should watch the whole video. So I will end up not watching it at all, and I will end up not seeing potentially that one thing that might be interesting to me. So there are quite a few things, you know, with unboxing videos, and there are better ways to market your products or your opportunity, and better ways to reach your audience and speak the way that resonates with them. And if you are serious about building your network marketing business successfully, feel free to check out the free video that I did recently on the overall strategy, how these things work, and you can find it at viisnow.com/3 steps. My name is Edita from VIE Now. Thanks very much for watching. Let me know if you got value out of this video. Have an amazing day and a great week. It's Monday, so have a great week. Thanks again. See you tomorrow.